It's me, Hot Shot Wendy, and today I'm here to let you know why your videos are not getting no views, baby. Okay, so are you tired of your videos starting strong, then hitting a wall? You're not alone. Today, I'm going to break down the top 3 reasons why your views may be stalling and how you can turn that around. So, let's dive in. Reason number 1 is consistency. Consistency is the key. You know, if you're posting a mix of random content, TikTok get confused about who to show your videos to. So, find you a niche and own it. For example, I'm going to use me. When I was focused on like the trucking content, TikTok knew exactly who to push my videos to. But when I started mixing it up, the algorithm got lost, and so did my views. So pick a topic and stick with it to keep your audience engaged. The second reason is consistency. Consistency in posting. If you're only posting periodically, your audience might forget about you. Aim for a regular posting schedule to keep your followers engaged and to attract new viewers. The more you show up, the more TikTok will recognize your content and push it out to a wider audience. So, the last reason is reason number 3. Engage with your audience. Don't forget to interact. When you get a comment or when somebody comment on your video, respond. Respond to comments, ask questions, and create content to encourage engagement. The more your audience interact with your videos, the more TikTok will promote them. So get to chatting and build a community. Hey, so there you have it. Stick to one topic, post regular, and engage with your audience to keep those views rolling in. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and follow for more tips. Let's keep growing together.